All right, guys, we have a duck hunt, and it is mid-October, and we're out on like a place that has like multiple different marches. I think there's like 45 different ones in the area within like not very far, like a couple miles. And for right now, we have probably 3 dozen decoys out with 2 spinners. As you can see, they're setting up still. Got some telios, and there's like little like weeds underneath the grass, so I don't think the bigger ducks are gonna be wanting to land out there or land in here. So we got the bigger ducks pushed out there where there's no weeds, and there'll be more ripples to get some more movement on the decoys. So Drew and Brock hunted this a week ago, no, yeah, 2 weeks ago, when it was that foggy hunt. You guys have probably seen already. If not, go check that video out. But we're at that same exact spot, just like 60 yards away to where the ducks were mostly wanting to land that day. And I think it should be a pretty good hunt. So we'll get a mixed bag because there'll be birds migrating down from the north. So I'll see you guys at shooting light, and I hope we shoot some birds. What do you think those are? Mallards?
Are they teal?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one right there. Oh. He's coming back. Out front, out front, out front. No, 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 no.
He's out by the point he landed.
What about those two?
First off, people shout before legal hours.
There's 5 really high.
That pair might still come back. Keep an eye on them.
These really high ones.
Those people who shot early screwed everybody. Out front, out front, out front. That was a hard shot for me.
I got him.
Okay.
The green wing.
Right here, Remy. It's to the right.
Oh my gosh.
She has it?
Oh yeah. Nice looking green wing. Hey, my gun didn't jam. My fingers are numb. And oh, big group coming.
Right here, Remy. They're coming. Where are they at? You see them?
They're just straight behind us.
Huh?
Straight behind us.
Are they? They dropped down.
They're behind us.
I could see their reflections in the water when they're way up high.
They're flying straight that way. They're behind us.
Yeah, they're literally just flying straight away.
Well, what are your thoughts? How long are we staying? We stay until we shoot our birds?
I do not care.
If it doesn't get any stronger, do you want to move to the other side?
Possibly.
I say we give it another hour. Though.
No, I'm just saying. I'm saying later on, like midday or whatever.
Yeah.
But the wind's also supposed to get stronger as the day goes on, so I don't know what to tell you. I mean, we could also go. There's a point right there, and set all our decoys off that
Yeah.
point. The sun doesn't make it any easier either.
No, not at all. I can't see to my left because of cattails, and I can't see to the right because of the sun. So
Is it-
basically,
Just sit here.
yeah.
Hey, they're coming. Hey, 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 get down, get down. Right back around. All right, you can walk in.
Yeah, bro.
You can walk in. They're coming back around. Where's Remy? Remy, sit. Stay. Those ducks are coming right back.
They're frozen.
They're coming in. Hot. Nope, they're gadwalls. Just a second, Dill.
Bring. All the way. All the way. Keep coming. Keep coming. Give. Good job.
Hen.
So pretty.
Yeah.
I saw someone. I think.
Probably Dylan.
Maybe not.
Oh.
Maybe not. No, they come back. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I folded that. Did anyone else shoot at the first one?
Yeah, me. I did.
I shot at it too.
Fuck. We pretty much shot at the same time too.
The other one's dead. That's the Drake, is the far one. They came right. Hey, I'm telling you that the no mojos is the ticket.
I shot that far one too, because we folded that one
Yeah.
quick.
I shot at both of them too. I don't know. It's your. You can. How many? You got one bird?
Two. This teal's mine. That's mine, Dad.
Sit. Remy, sit.
Hey, Dad, you want to go out there? Let me get the one.
Come here, Remy. Bring here. Remy, bring here. Maybe he's gonna get silly. Come land with us. He's kind of diving. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Drake mallard.
And mallard.
10?
I smoked it. See? No mojos. That makes a big difference, I think.
Yeah.
She came right in. Like, no.
That's yours, bro. You shot that.
Good job, Brock. Brand new. I know it hit it. This thing's old. I don't even know if it goes that far.
I don't think brand new has to do with shooting much.
It could be a Drake mallard.
I'm telling you, it's a Drake mallard.
It's a hen.
It is?
Yeah, I thought it was a hen. Come on, dingo. Bring it back.
Yeah.
See, I got its foot. It's trying to get away.
No, I haven't shot at a ton of birds.
You haven't? Right out front again.
That would have been a better thing.
No, they're going to circle around. Or they're not coming back at all.
Yeah, they're gonna go land in that freaking pocket.
Maybe. Keep coming. Keep coming. They're coming.
No, they aren't.
Yeah, they are. Let them come all the way in. both hands? Nope, get him.
Oh god.
They're both drakes.
Hey, what is it?
Just, why don't you go over there?
I got it. I can do it.
He's a pretty one. Oh, he's even got his curls.
Oh my. I'm pretty sure.
He's a beaut.
I'm pretty sure I shot him, but I don't know.
Huh? He is a beaut. He's like, you guys, I barely got shot. You're getting him.
Yeah, just wait. Should I shoot her?
Yeah, shoot her.
Oh, I got her at the 3 now.
You don't have to worry about it going anywhere now.
Good shooting. Come on.
I wish that was the drake, though.
Yeah.
That's not a good sign.
No. Are you fucking kidding me?
How many times is it gonna need a circle?
Get it.
More ducks out front right.
Over.
High.
Shoot him in front, in front.
Let him come in.
I dropped mine.
I shot it the same way. I got the one on the left. Dude, this thing.
Wait, hey, Brock, you shot at the right one?
Oh, you gotta shoot through the house.
Are those both hens?
I think the one on the right is a drake.
I shot the one on the left is right.
Hey, somebody's got a...
They're both good. I shot at the one on the right. I shot at the one on the left.
I only
Remy, bring! That's a drake.
That's a drake?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's go! That's the one I shot at. And I'm pretty, like, 100% sure I dropped that one.
I did not even shoot.
Wait, Brock, did you say you shot at the right?
Remy, bring!
I shot at the right one.
We'll call it mine.
Remy, bring!
How many did you shoot?
I was just standing up like this and they just...
Remy, bring! You know the left one is?
Yeah.
Right here. 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 Here.
It's us a drake.
Give. All right, good girl. Ready? Go get it. On the right?
That might be a drake.
That's all I saw was it coming
Looks like a...
in. Okay, you could have missed
It looks more like a drake than a hen.
Yeah, it looks like... You see how the chest gets brown up top?
Yeah, it's a drake. No, it's a hen. I can tell it's a hen. Sit. Where? Oh, I see it. It's a hen. Don't shoot it.
Alright guys, just finished up. And we got a load of birds. Not the limit. We were 3 shy of the limit. But we got a good amount of teal. I'd say like 7 teal. Or, yeah, like 7 teal, 2 widgeon, and the rest were mallards. And we did get a stud mallard today. As you can see, he's got 2 curls. If I can get it up. He's got 2 curls. but good looking mallard this earlier on in the year, so great day of hunting. And we started off with 4 mojos out there, and they just weren't doing it right. They were kind of skirting the edges, wanting to land out in the middle still. So we decided maybe that everyone else in the marsh, since there's 45 different other marshes or potholes, that we're going to take all of our mojos out. And right after we did that, they started piling in. So last look at the birds, and yeah, pretty successful day. So hope you guys liked the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. See ya.